All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back for another problem involving slope-intercept form of a line. We're going to be looking at this problem here, number 2. And remember, we're going to find the slope. We're going to identify what the y-intercept is, create a graph, and solve the equation to find the x-intercept. First, let's identify the slope. Y equals 5 over 2, x minus 5. So the slope is just 5 over 2. That's because this line equation takes the form y equals mx plus b. That's called the slope-intercept form equation of the line. And now we need to solve for the x-intercept. We abbreviate that x-int. The way you do that is you just rewrite the equation with y turned into a 0. 0 equals 5 over 2 x minus 5. Solve for x now. We'll add 5 on both sides. And now we have 5 equals 5 over 2x. We can get rid of the 5 over 2x by multiplying by the reciprocal, 2/5 on both sides. Okay, on the right we can cancel out all of the numbers. And on the left we have 2 times 5 is 10 over 5 equals x. 10 divided by 5 is 2, so the x-intercept is at x equals 2. We know the coordinates of the x-intercept because one of our notes from today showed us that whatever the x-intercept is, the y value will always be 0. So the coordinates of the x-intercept are 2, 0. Now let's draw a picture. Just a little sketch of a graph. It doesn't have to be ultra precise. It just has to be a sketch. So the y-intercept is -5. Okay, so maybe we should write that somewhere. The y-int is -5. And that means the coordinates of the y-intercept are 0, -5. So we need to plot in -5 here. So this point right down here in the negative territory, 5 down on the y-axis, that's the y-intercept. The slope is 5 over 2, which means rise 5, run 2. So that would mean we would go up from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 1 over 2. Right here. And we draw in our line. We don't have to plot the x-intercept because we just did. The x-intercept is right here, 2, 0. Label that x int. That's where the line crosses the x-axis. And the y-int is right here. And that would be 0, -5. Okay, so that's how we label and draw the graph for that problem.